Welcome to Incredible App channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to put Google search bar on the home screen in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen. Now here at the bottom you can see widgets option, then just tap on widgets. Now from here scroll down and look for Google. Here it is, then just tap on Google and then scroll down. And here you can see Google search bar. Now if you want to add it on the home screen, just touch and hold it and drag it to here, and it's done. Now Google search bar has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you touch and hold it, you can also resize your search bar from here, and you can set any size as you want, and that's it. Now if you touch and hold it again, then tap on create stack. You can also add another widget. If I select Chrome and then tap here, then tap on add, and it's added successfully. And that is how you can put Google search bar on the home screen in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.